everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is time to share with you guys my Target Ibotta haul. Yes, I'm not trying to be quiet, I just like to make you guys laugh, so let's get it started. So I actually am enjoying Target this week. I actually feel like Target is kind of stepping it up. Now I really wish we could get coupons that we're getting next week to do for the deals at Target. So if you guys have early activation, or not early, but if you guys get your inserts early, definitely shop at Target. I know there's some deodorant deals, there's some shampoo, conditioner deals, so definitely if you guys can get your inserts early, try to shop at Target. So I'm just letting you guys know. So I did pretty well at Target in my opinion. I got some decent stuff this time instead of making it look like this is ridiculous. But I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. I don't even know what to tell you. So I ended up getting the Renews-Its. Thank you. I don't even know who sent me to them. I want to see the name on it was Starlit, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But she sent me some coupons. Thank you for the Renews-Its. But I still had some insert coupons that I had. So these were 99 cents. I love the Renews-Its. I have these like all throughout my house because, you know, they're not too strong, but they're subtle. But again, 99 cents, and there is a 15% off deal on Cartwheel. So it makes them just 84 cents. You guys want to use that buy 3, get 1 free coupon. Now my cashier never even scanned it. She just looked at the price and she wrote 99 cents on the receipt and took 99 cents off. She was supposed to scan it and then write what the thing said, but she didn't. So I'm just like, I'm not going to argue with her. So these come out to be just $2.37 or just 59 cents a piece. So if you guys are really, really want this stuff, I say go for it. I mean, 59 cents a piece. Sometimes there's better deals. Now there's also a deal where you guys can submit your receipt on Savings Star if you guys haven't done that already, where it comes out to be even cheaper. So I had to share with you guys with that. Box is full from my Walmart video I just did. Now I also got some toilet bowl cleaner because we all like to keep our toilet nice and clean. So these were $1.99, okay? There is 50% off coupons that you guys can print from coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $2.98 for the both of these. So you guys would end up also submitting a 3 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, making these a 2-cent moneymaker. I have yet to use a Scrubbing Bubbles brand. I've always used the Lysol brand like crazy. So it's nice to have it. I don't know why, but I think this little thing is like, I don't even know really what's it for. I know it's hard to reach, but I think it's super cute. It reminds me of a duck. Quack, 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 with a big butt. So yes, these are absolutely free. I kind of want to do this deal again if it resets, so I don't know. I might make a second trip to Target. I don't know. It just depends on if I make it to town or not. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Now the Bolt House deal I wanted to do again at my store, but my Ibotta rebate wasn't there, so they're like on sale for $2, and then there's like a 25% off deal, but it ends today, so I'm like, well, whatever. I'm glad I didn't show you guys that because, you know, certain reasons. I ended up getting these Maltesers is what these are called. These were at my store for $1.39. There is a 50% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys would just get this for 69 cents a piece. Now there's 3 of 6 play packs. I don't understand. Oh, you play a game. No, honey. So what you guys would get these is just for 69 cents. The husband saw me writing my breakdowns and stuff, and he's like, oh, I like it. I said no. Your face is filthy. You need to get out of here. Go wipe your face off. Go wash your face. Go wash your face. So husband wants these and now Ben wants them, but we're cutting back on candy for him, so he can't have them. Go wash your face. Okay. Okay, the next deal we're gonna get is the Schick razors. Now you guys can do this twice in one deal if you want, but I decided I'm just gonna do it once because I just want to get the Ibotta, and it's not like a great deal, but I still think it's a decent deal. Now my store had these for $5.99. Some stores might have them for $5.69. There's also a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that was on coupons.com. It's no longer available as far as I know unless I'm completely blind. But you guys would pay $1.79 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 79 cents. And I'm like, okay, and I love it when I see the bonus section. I always go for the bonus. Go for the bonus. Bonus. Yeah. Yeah. Pens. I thought I had another one. These pens, I don't know why, but it's the red pens only, and these are the bonus packs. So there is 10 pens in here. These are marked for 37 cents. I know it's weird. People don't really write in red pens, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care what color the pens are for what I do. And this one's already open, but I might just bring some of these to work to write in. But yes, these were 37 cents, so I thought I'd get some. Now, if you guys get coupons for these and you use them at Target, now we do get Papermate coupons every once in a while. Don't use those coupons at Target for these because Target adjusts that coupon. So that coupon, if it was like $1 off, if there is any in the future, if it was like $1 off, you guys, the coupon would only adjust to 37 cents. You just wasted a coupon. So definitely don't use coupons on stuff that's like 37 cents, especially at Target. So wanted to share with you guys on that. I ended up getting this DeBrox earwax removal aid. If you guys ever tried this, let me know. We've been back from vacation for over a month now, and when we were on our airplane, when we were landing, like in the airplane, my ear was hurting me. Like I was almost in tears because my ear was hurting me. You know, I was blowing with my nose closed, and now I hear movement in my ear all the time. And sometimes it'll crackle, and sometimes I can hear just fine, but like right now, I can hear movement in my ear. So I thought, I'm going to try this and see if it's, I don't know, I don't think it's earwax because I clean my ears all the time and there's nothing coming out. So this might be just getting something that's more deep in my ears. But if you guys have a suggestion what I should do, please let me know because it's driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts. But this was $5.89 at Target. There's a 40% off deal. Plus you guys can go to the DeBrox website and you guys can print off a $2 off coupon. You guys would just get this for $1.53. So thank you, sweetie. So $1.53 for this, I think is an okay deal. I'm hoping this is something that works. I mean, to soften, loosen, yeah. So we'll see how it works. Maybe this will help me, but I'm really getting sick and tired of my ear bothering me. So the next deal I got is this Lacombe or whatever coffee. Husband is obsessed with this stuff. This cover is like off. Is it? Oh, it comes right off. Okay, so he's like obsessed with this coffee stuff. So I'm like, whatever. So these were actually on sale for $2.50. There is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print from the Lacombe website. Now, it's hard to find. What I end up doing is I go to Lozo, Lozo.com. I type in this name, and it'll take me right to the coupon. Ben, can you go away for a second, honey? So you guys would pay $1.50 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate. It goes up to 5 rebates. You guys would just get this for 50 cents. So I think that is a pretty good deal. This doesn't expire until the end of September. So husband loves these. Like, this will be gone either tomorrow. It'll be gone before I get home from work tomorrow. So thank you, husband. And then the last and final deal that I kind of figured out while I was shopping at the store, because I had these coupons and I don't want the coupons to go to waste, you guys. I really don't like coupons going to waste, but I was super excited to get some deals that I don't usually get. So we got the Dove Dermacare. Now make sure you guys get the Dermacare because there's a 50-cent difference between the two. I was originally going to get the other ones. They look identical. They're right next to each other, but then I'm like, oh yeah, the coupon says Dermacare. So I got the men's Dermacare. These were $4.99. There's no cartwheel deal. But you guys have those $2 off coupons that we got from like 2 Sundays ago. So you guys want to use that. You guys will get both of these for $5.98. Along with that deal, you guys want to get the Simple wipes. Now these were $4.49. There is a 10% deal on cartwheel. Plus we have those $2 off coupons that you guys want to use from a couple weeks ago. You guys will get these for $4.08. If you guys buy all 4 of these items together, you will get them for $10.06. You guys will also want to submit your receipt for Fetch Rewards. You get points for those. And you guys get a $5 gift card. So you end up getting all 4 of these items for $5.06 or just $1.26. I ended up getting 159 points for Fetch. I'm sorry. I ended up getting 159 points for Fetch, which I think is awesome, and those points add up. Anytime you guys get the Unilever product with the U on it, you guys want to always submit your receipt because you get extra bonus points. So that's cool. So I'm just reading the expiration date on here. So ended up doing that deal. I made may not go back and do that deal again, but I want to use these wipes. These are just facial wipes, removes waterproof mascara. So is it just like a makeup remover? I think it is. I think it is. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. So something I will try. So yes, that was my Target haul. I think I did pretty good. I'm kind of glad I got some stuff than what I usually get. My total came to $21.57 for everything. I ended up getting $5.25 back with Ibotta. So yeah, I got 159 points with Fetch. I ended up getting a $5 gift card back, and I usually like rolling those gift cards, but now I have like 4 of them in my wallet. One thing I do want to say is that video I made last night, I now made it private. It is no longer a video, or it's no longer good. I think it's a dead deal. I don't even know if the coupon works anymore. So if you guys were able to grab that, go for it and let me know if it worked for you still later in the day, but it is a dead deal. If you guys are not, if you don't know what I'm wondering, if you're not sure what happened, don't worry about it. It's a dead deal. But everything came out to be $11.32. I got 16 items. That was just 71 cents a piece, which could be a pretty good deal if I say so myself. Oh my god. I'm not trying to yawn. I'm not trying to yawn, you guys. I know you guys don't like it, but I just get tired. It's like Jennifer nap time right now, you know. But what I'm going to do is go upstairs, edit my videos. My Bachelorette comes on tonight, so I'm going to sit and watch that while I'm editing my videos. So yes, I got a crazy night ahead of me. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so glad I finally got a decent Target haul. I know you guys are excited too. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.